Hey, my name's Farhana and I'm a global social media and brand expert. I've created an amazing workshop called Attract and Convert Your Perfect Client Online. In this workshop, we will teach you how to increase your leads, followers, and sales using social media. We go over my 5 main steps. So one is to tell your brand story. After all, it's all about the narrative. We want to share your core values with the world. 2, we want to have an effective marketing plan so that you are saving time and money and really communicating with your perfect customer. 3, we want to figure out who that perfect customer is and how do we create a community around them. Then 4, we want to have quality, consistent content that converts. And 5, we want to have a sales and marketing funnel that actually creates sales and a pipeline for people to continuously buy from you. In this workshop, we're going to go over those 5 points so that you will have a structure and a system to grow your followers, get more sales, and get more leads. We'll save you time and money, and we know you're all busy out there, entrepreneurs. We feel your pain. So we've created this system and this workshop, and we know that it's going to take your business to the next level. I look forward to seeing you on our session. Ciao.